YouTube, BigH Trucking. If you can't figure it out, I'll let you in on it. I'm back at the Pittston terminal. I had to turn down a $3,000 load because my APU is blowing cold air. On top of which, let me throw my light. On top of which, my cruise control doesn't work. It thinks that my wipers are on, so it's not engaging. So this truck, since November 8th, has been a thorn in my side. And again, I have to reiterate, it ain't the brand name, it ain't Peterbilt. I just had a straight, I've had 14 months of not a problem to be found. And in the last three and a half weeks, 3 weeks, nothing but issues. It's the DEF system. Then it became the marker lights. They did a software update, and somehow I'm trying to figure out that the software update that they did screwed up my cruise control. The APU Prime can handle, which is not a problem. It is a problem because I turned down I had to lose the $3,000 load coming out of New York State too, and that's pretty damn good. That's the first time in my trucking career upstate New York is paying such a great piece of money. That was over $2 a mile, whatever. But it seems like there's one problem after another problem after another problem after another problem. I can't get traction. I cannot get any traction whatsoever. That's frustrating. So I'm back at the terminal once again. Trucks are filled up in these bays. I need to do a 10-hour break. I need to do a 10-hour break because I got like 45 minutes left of my 11-hour drive clock. I'm not concerned about the APU, even though tonight's 30 degrees. What is it? Oh, it's actually 40 degrees here. Holy cow. No, that can't be right. That's no way is that right. I just came out of the heated garage. Thank God I brought extra blankets with me just in case this ever happened, like somewhere in the middle of nowhere. So I'll be able to sleep tonight. I just sleep with my sweatshirt on, my sweats, my socks under my. I do got a good sleeping bag that's rated to I don't know, it's below 0, 10, minus 10. But let me tell you something. It gets cold in this thing, in this truck, because there's no insulation. And I can't run the truck because it doesn't stay running for longer than 2 minutes at a clip. Now, I'm certainly not going to be starting the truck up every 10 minutes because it shuts down. So I'm a little frustrated. But this is the world of trucking, right? I was on, like I said, I was on such a great streak, good streak, killing it. And boom, reality sets in. I'm telling you what, I am not a fan of these new trucks. There's nothing but problems, and it's not a problem that a mechanic can fix. I can't go to any Tom, Dick, and Harry and get it fixed like if I had an old truck. Them days are gone. Now it's all laptops and computers, and Prime can't work on a Peterbilt. That's probably my only negative I got about Peterbilt. Prime can't work on these things. It's got to go back to Peterbilt. Well, when I went to go check on my truck on Friday, Saturday, whatever, the girls on the phone said we can't take any appointments till the 6th to the 7th of December. So, not having cruise control sucks. I drove about 400 miles today with my foot, and it sucks. Now, it did, I was in snow for about 3 hours today, 4 hours. But, you don't realize that your foot's in that one position. Yeah, you can move it around, but it's nice to have a cruise control because then you can move your legs around. Get the blood circulating, So, if worst case scenario, I'm hoping if they do the right thing, and I'm going to be really nice, professional, and say my truck was just there Friday, just did an update. My cruise control is not working. It thinks my wipers are on when they're not on. Can I stop by, do a quick whatever with the laptop? And if they say no, then I'm gonna be a little pissed. It's the least they should do, because my truck's been there for 3 fucking weeks. Excuse my language. You should say, you know what? All right, come on by, put a laptop to it, and we'll sort it out. It's probably something very simple. Or maybe they could do something. That while I'm on the phone, somewhere in settings, I've tried to look for cruise control in the owner's manual and in settings, and I see nothing. I could change it to 7 different languages, but there's no cruise control. And there you hear that ding. That's no light. Shutdown will occur in 58 seconds. So you can't keep these trucks running all night. And yeah, it's down to 37 degrees. So anyway, I just wanted to give you guys an update. This BigH trucking, a little frustrated. I know eventually it'll smooth out and be behind me. It's just now being down again, wasting time. I'm going to fall asleep for about 3 hours. They're going to call me and say, come at Bay 30. I'm going to be groggy. I'm hoping that I can find a place to put my trailer or drop my trailer. It's not going to be my trailer anymore. It's empty. Because this morning it was a totally nightmare back there. And every time there's a holiday, this place is just packs out. I mean, I get that you go home and stuff, but they need to, I know they're looking for property, I get it. But they can't allow all these trails to come in because I'm screwed, right? I wish I could turn this around because then I'll stop my video and whatever. But this truck's just everywhere. Trucks are everywhere. They all got snow covered on them, so I know they're not working. They're not here. When are they going to all come back to work? Maybe tomorrow. Tomorrow this place is going to be an absolute nightmare. But hopefully everybody had a good Thanksgiving. But whatever, I'm just going to drop my trailer whatever. At this point I don't care. But anyway, I just wanted to give you guys an update. It is 2:47 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'm going to go in the shop and let them know that my APU is all banged up and see what they can do. See when they can get me in. All right, folks, we'll keep you posted. Stay safe. Make good decisions. Later.